Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly product spotlight, where we highlight one of the amazing products we have available for sale online or over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores. You're looking at something familiar yet different. This is the Perth Mint Australian Origin 1 kilo gold bar. Now, it's familiar in that it's 1 kilo of gold. You may have seen many kilos of gold on the internet before. You may own them yourself, quite possibly. You may know someone who owns them. You may have held them in your hands before. And can I say, if you've never held a 1 kilo bar of gold in your hands, you have to do it at least once in your life. Even now, I've been in this industry for many, many years, and it's still something really cool because it's concentrated wealth, real money, concentrated in your hand. It fits in the palm of your hand. And this is as of today's date, it's retail worth about 87 to 88,000 Australian dollars. So pure, concentrated, real money in your hands. And it really is, once you feel it for the first time, that weightiness, and you know the worth in such a small little package, it's really a cool experience. So look, maybe pop into the Brisbane store or the Melbourne store and just say, hey guys, I've never held a kilo of gold in my hand. Mind if I give it a go? Yeah, we'll let you through the store and go through all the security stuff that we normally have to, of course. But you can hold a kilo of gold in your hands. No pressure, don't need to buy it, don't need to buy anything, just come in because we want you to get that experience. So that's the familiar part of this particular bar, but here's where it's different because it is Australian origin gold. Now, as the name would suggest, all the gold to produce these particular bars come from Australian mines only, and primary mine sites at that. So in recent years, there's been more concern about, where's my gold coming from for, ethical reasons, or because of, I just want to buy Australian made, if that makes sense as well. So Perth Mint heard that call, and they answered the call by producing these Australian origin gold bars. So that's the bar. Let's quickly show you a little bit closer. The Perth Mint logo, of course, at the top with the right-facing swan. Australian origin gold in big bold letters right there. 1 kilo, 9999, and an individual serial number as well. AOG for Australian origin gold, and the serial number there. And it's just a plain back as well. So that's the gold. And when you buy it, you do receive a certificate of authenticity as well. This is this side right here, and of course all the details on this side. So certificate of origin and assay fine gold. Now, this certifies that Australian origin gold 1 kilogram bars are produced from gold d'or or doré. I never know how to pronounce that. What that basically means is gold d'or is the non-pure version of gold. So mines will purify it as much as they reasonably can, and then they'll on-sell it to mints, and then mints buy the d'or. It's mainly gold, but a bit of mixture of silver and some other metals in there, and then the specific mint will purify it even more to the pure gold standard. So the gold d'or that Perth Mint buys these from all come from responsibly sourced from primary mining sites located in Australia. So you know what you're getting, where it's coming from, the individual serial number to match the specific bar. Of course, the unit of 1 bar right there, the weight, of course, 1,000 grams or 1 kilos, and 9999 fine gold, and the assayer signature as well. And finally, because Perth Mint is an LBMA member. So that's what you get with buying a Perth Mint 1 kilo Australian origin gold bar. The certificate, of course, but the gold right here, this is just, again, it's just so hefty and pure, concentrated wealth. So if you know someone who's interested in that side of things, if they want to buy Australian made or for the other reasons, share this with them. The Perth Mint 1 kilo Australian origin gold bar. Again, of course, available to purchase online now, ainslieBullion.com.au. I'll put a link below to the specific product page. And of course, just come into the Brisbane store or the Melbourne store and just hold this bar or any 1 kilo gold bar for the experience of it. Because again, I will rattle on till my last breath how awesome it is just to hold a gold bar kilo in your hand. So I want you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Share this video around because I think these are just beautiful, beautiful bars. And as always, thanks for choosing Ainslie.